Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop.com website. I'll explain to you guys essentially how can you remove your Discord account from the connected applications on your Whop account. So let's jump right into it. So to start off, in the bottom left corner, you will click on your profile picture right here and then click on connected accounts. Now here you will see the list of all of your connected accounts. Right now I have my Discord connected. So to remove it, to delete it, I'll click on this trash can button. You will lose Discord access to your products. I'll click on unlink account. Give it a couple of seconds to load up, and as you can see, I've successfully unlinked it. If you want to link it back again or link another one, simply click on this plus button and it will redirect you to authorize your Discord. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.